Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use full screen on Realme C51 device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. If you want to recover your device into full screen display, and then you can change the notification button into gesture navigation. How to do? Let's see. First, you can go to the settings menu, and then here you can scroll down. After that, here you can select system option. And then you can choose gestures. After that, you can tap on the first option and activate the gesture navigation. And then the display of your device has been successfully changed to full screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use full screen on Realme C51 device. Don't forget to subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.